Here's a quick overview of my 10-foot by 10-foot DIY spray booth. Started off with a 10-foot pop-up canopy with straight legs. I took off the center support that holds the roof up since I wasn't going to be using the roof. For the walls I used 2 packs of this 10 by 25 3.5 mil Husky plastic sheeting from Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. For the zippered doors, I picked up a 4-pack of these zippered adhesive door things from Amazon. I'll put a link to that. To tape the sheeting together, I used tuck tape. Worked really well, also from Amazon. I used a couple of box fans with some 20 by 20 filters. I've got one on this side, one on the other side. And then to draw the air out, I used a 12-inch explosion-proof fan. That worked really, really well. And come inside. So I set the box fan against the plastic sheeting, took off the front panel of the fan, cut a hole in the plastic, and then screwed the grill or frame back onto the fan through the plastic. So that worked really well. I've got one on that side, as you saw, one on the other side. And then here's a 12-inch explosion-proof fan with a 14 by 14 3M filter. Got lots of room in here. Light comes through really well. And it's should be easy to take back down since it's just a pop-up canopy. I'm on the second of the height positions here. I could actually go up higher, but I'm almost 6 feet and I still have some headroom above me. And with a 10 by 10, there's a lot of room in here to spray a bumper. This is an M5 bumper we sprayed last night, and another piece of that bumper, and room for a table. This is my spray gun from Amazon as well. It's an InnoCraft, works really well. It's an LV LP gun. I picked up this little spray light from AliExpress the other day, about $3 or $4. Works really well. It's got 3 modes, although the third's strobe. Not sure why you'd use that. This is the clear I've been using, also from Amazon. Works really well. But yeah, we'll take this all down today and see how well it packages back up into its case.